Welcome to Audit Evaluation of Government Performance, the Annual Budget 2013. Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand, the center of the progress in every field. A gravity to have people migration flow from various regions of the country to live and work as diverse assembly with Bangkok as the local special form. The status as an entity and management model in accordance with the law government regulation of Metropolis. The year 2528 obliged to serve the people living in Bangkok 5,673,560 people, and Metropolitan Agency is focused on this service, which is a direct service, such as the registration, keeping clean, health, education, and services indirectly, such as maintaining the public order, prevention and mitigation, traffic, infrastructure, including the preparation of urban planning. In Bangkok, the administrative divisions into 50 districts, which is responsible for treatment of suffering, for happiness to the local people. Laksi district is one in 50 districts of Bangkok, under the administration of Mr. Sukhumphon Borapat, Governor of Bangkok. Therefore, Laksi District Office try to improve the public service oriented efficiently and to comply with 6 main policy of Bangkok. Laksi District Office located at 999 Mutu Ching Watana Road, Talat Bangkhen Sub-District, Bangkok. The name Laksi means the fourth milestone. The community here was called Laksi because of the fourth milestone of Klong Premprat Kondug. During King Chulalongkorn linking Bangkok to Ward Bangpayan, Laksi became a district on the 21st of November 1997, separating from Don Mueang District. People called Ban Laksi and used the word Laksi to call others such as Laksi Railway Station, Wat Laksi and Laksi Monument. Originally Laksi district area was in the district of Bangkhen district office. Later, this which was established in area has been transferred to the district of Don Mueang district office, which was established in 1970. Later in the Don Mueang area more densely populated for ease of administration and public administration. Announcement of the Ministry of Interior changed Don Mueang area and the establishment of Laksi District on October 14, 1997. Area 25.06 square kilometer. The district is subdivided into 2 sub-districts: Songhong and Talat Bangkhen. Population 109,320, household 47,154. The vision of Laksi District Office. Bright environment, personnel service offering, all sectors involved, development brought people to the strength. The mission of Laksi District Office, to make the driven of Laksi District Office as determined by the vision. Therefore, the mission to proceed as follows. 1. Laksi District Office to take care of the suffering, happiness of people with equality. The staff are willing to fare and service under the principle of serving with the heart and back with a smile. 2. Balancing environment, health, fresh air, reduce global warming, increasing the green area, promote learning in agriculture. 3. Civil society participation in the development of the area. To the Laksi District Office is a community of the strength and sustainability. The purpose and goals. Accommodation, to solve the problems of public services in the area and outside the area. The target to make life and balance economic, educational, social and cultural, and safety of life and property. Our executive committee consists of Mr. Narangjong Jampha as the director of Laksi, Mr. Siwit Sangsani and Mr. Banley Sarksay are assistants of director. There are 10 departments consist of 1. Local Affairs Section. Ms. Sausage Tabtime Chief of the Local Affairs Section. This department responsible for the local government election management protection and civilian staff. Receive complaints, public relations. 2. Registration section. Mr. Borbet Redanaburi, Chief of the Registration Section. This department responsible for public services in the notification of the civil registration service to do the identification, the notification about family registration, registered name. 3. City Law Enforcement Section. Mr. Ponlert Benpart, Chief of the City Law Enforcement Section. This department control regulations of the country, rule enforcement provisions of Bangkok and other rule-defined dysfunctions of the metropolis. 4. Finance Section. Mrs. Kanok Ponsorated, Chief of the Finance Section. This department responsible for financial control, budget, revenue and expenditure and other annual duties involved. 5. Community Developer Section. Mr. Sumit Suryarot, Chief of the Community Development and Social Welfare Section. This department responsible for community development, both physical, economic, social, environmental, quality of life, social welfare and promoting the profession. 6. Public Works Technical Section. Mr. Watan Guadana, Chief of the Public Works Section. This department responsible for building permits, repairs and improvements of public interest and take care of the drainage system in canal. 7. Environmental and Sanitation Technical Section. Mrs. Panchafat Subpung, Chief of the Environmental Section. This department responsible for food sanitation establishment, sanitary market and take care of the environment in the area. 8. Revenue Section. This department responsible for revenue collection of metropolis, such as property tax, land tax, advertising signs, fee, and killing animals. 9. Public Cleansing and Park Section. Mr. Spakrong Punlamwang, Chief of the Public Cleansing and Park Section. This department responsible for the cleanliness and tidiness, reducing the pollution treatment, environmental, handling sewage, collecting rubbish and fees. 10. Education Section. Ms. Darika Jantawan, Education Section. This department responsible for management education, and coordinator on education with various institutions according to the law of education, including 6 directors. There were 1. Mr. Somjet Samboon Silp, Director of Karnkahathas High School. 2. Mrs. Ampai Jantapanyazan, Director of Kachadung Song Hungwataya 1 School. 3. Mr. Wachara Sintara, Director of Kachadung Song Hungwataya 2 School. 4. Mr. Pramod Suksawat, Director of Banking Wasalina Soren School. 5. Mr. Natawat Chuzuk, Director of Wat Laksi Tongbadi Wari School. 6. Mrs. Samporn Nandawiarn, Director of Kachadung Song Hung School. More cover. To provide services to the quality and efficiency, Laksi District Office was trying to improve service in various forms to reflect and respond to the needs of the people.